Alright guys, we're back at the shop. We're gonna install our new, you know what? I'm gonna show you what it is. Let me grab the part real quick. Oh, by the way, we're at Aeroflow right now. I didn't put the car on the lift because the car is so slammed. It's gonna take me like 30-40 minutes to put on the lift. But the part we're gonna be installing today, we don't need a lift. So here's a new part. Just came in from Subaru 4 days ago. Very excited. As you can see, it's a small item. And I've been looking at this piece for a long time now. And then I got approved with our guys here that, you know what, you can buy it. I'm like, all right, cool. So, and it was not in stock, so it took about a week or so to get shipped. Nice packaging. Let me see. It's like Christmas came early. Sheesh. Yo, I'm excited. Here it is, guys. This is the new, man. This is the new sport grill for the 22XX from factory. As you can see, it's all gloss black compared to this gray. Because on this car right now, we don't have any more gray color or any gray color at all. So yeah, we're gonna slap this on. I'm gonna put it here for reference. As you can tell, this has like those honeycomb slots, which kind of matches with the cladding on the bumper actually. Oh wow, I just realized that. That's pretty cool. Not really, but so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this today. And oh you know what we forgot? The overlay. It's okay. We'll get some new overlays in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the bumper off, and yeah. If you watched our last video on the splitter install, I showed you guys how to take it off the bumper. So pretty straightforward. A couple bolts on the top, a couple clips on the side and the bottom, and the bumper should come right off. So there's some hardware that came with the grill. Seems like there's 2 Phillips head screws, and oh, this must be okay. So they also gave us this cover, which is for these screws right here. I guess some models, they might have like a front camera sensor. So you just pretty much, here, let me show you guys. Right through the back, pop this, I think it's this side. Yep, popping like that. You're gonna get the 2 screws that they provided you. Cameraman, come a little closer. So with these 2 little screws in the cover, you just literally slide it on the top. I always hand time this first. A lot of people will get their screwdriver and like, you know, bam, 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 bam. You know, take your time. I wouldn't use the impact gun for this. It's because it's so fragile, the plastic might just crack. So just do it gently, you know. Take it easy, you know. Oh, look at that. Perfect. All right, guys. So once the cover's on, you can't even tell, you know, it's been removed or it's been an empty hole. So right in the back, 2 screws. There you go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the side of the bumper and pop off the OEM. There's a lot of clips here. I didn't realize. But right here in the back, let's see. We have a couple of screws, and I don't think, yes it is. So the screws does latch on. So there's 1, 2, 3, 6 screws and a bunch of clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the screws off first. All right, guys. So I got the screws out already. 6 screws, and then right here they're just plastic clips, so you can just push it down by your nails and then slowly pry them out one by one. Very simple. And there you go. Here's your old grill. And I don't be needing this anymore. Oh shit. So now that you have the old grill off, I don't need this anymore. So if anyone wants this, it's comment below. Yes, let me know. Or you can DM me on Instagram. And you can have this. I ain't paying for shipping though. You got to pay for that. All right. Make sure everything's, I always inspect, you know, make sure all the clips and tabs are not broken. Sometimes they just come broken. You'd be surprised. So I'm gonna go ahead and line up the bottom, and it should pop right in. Give it a good old smack. There you go. Oh, just kidding. That was dirt. All right, once it's all in, you go to the back, double check, make sure all the clips are in properly. It looks good to me, and I'm gonna put back these 6 screws. All right, guys, so the grill's back. Now it's got to put the bumper back on. Gotta be very careful, you know. All right, guys, once you put the bumper back, close your hood. Car's a little dirty, I do apologize. I'm gonna lower the car. By the way, we'll have a wide body coming, so for those watching right now, stay tuned for that because it's gonna be crazy. Anyways, so here it is. Here's the Sport Grille by Subaru. Very aggressive compared to this one right here. The gloss black matches really well with our Aero. Really gives it that whole front end is just completely changed. We still need to swap over the emblem, so I'm gonna go back to Elite Wraps next week and then put the new red and gloss black emblem. Other than that, yeah, so pretty simple install. I would rate this like 4 out of 10. It'd be easier if you had a buddy help you, because putting this thing on by yourself and taking it off is a little tricky, but not too bad. Aside from that, thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's short video. And make sure to subscribe and comment below if you have any questions on parts or whatever. I got you. See you guys next week.